Hello, everyone. This is Case and Base. Today we will learn about outline of techniques related to method study.
We have learned last time that IE has various techniques. This time we will learn about the outline of techniques related to method study.
So, let's get started with the lecture.
Mio, we have learned the outline of IE techniques last time. Do you remember what are used in the techniques related to method study?
Yes. They are process analysis, motion study and transportation analysis, material handling, aren't they?
You are right. Today, we will learn about the points of process analysis, motion study and transportation analysis, material handling.
Okay, thank you.
So let's check process analysis first. Process analysis refers to analysis for finding problems by using certain symbols to chart the flow of things in each process or the flow of people's work. By the way, process refers to the separated sections formed with the work of one stage progressing to the next and approaching completion, or completion. There are various sequences in the flow of production and office work. The arrangements and management of work will be easier by dividing the work at a certain point. The overall picture of the workflow and procedure can be grasped by performing process analysis. Therefore, process analysis is often used as a preliminary investigation before more detailed techniques are applied.
What kind of techniques are used in process analysis?
Now, let's check types and characteristics of process analysis. There are four main types of process analysis. The first is simple process analysis, which refers to the analysis of the process flow and status only for the series of work, an inspection. The second is detailed process analysis, which refers to analysis of the status of work, an inspection plus movement transportation, waiting stagnation, preservation storage, etc. Detailed process analysis can be further divided into two types: the product process analysis, which focuses on analysis of the products, and operator process analysis, which focuses on analysis of the operators. The third is multiple activity analysis, which refers to the analysis of the relationship status from the perspective of time's passage for the combined operation between people and between machines and people. In addition to method study, multiple activity analysis also includes a perspective related to work measurement, so we will learn the details utilizing application techniques. The fourth is transportation route analysis, which is called flowchart as well and refers to the analysis of the movement route of things or people in a chart for each layout. The above are the four types of process analysis and their characteristics.
So these four types of process analysis must be used properly according to the usage scene, aren't they?
Yes. By the way, it is also possible to use a combination of detailed process analysis and transportation route analysis. Next, let's check the second one, motion study. Motion study refers to analysis of body and eye movements to pursue more rational motions. Motion study is a technique which is generally used for more detailed analysis of a process that was raised as a problem by process analysis. It is positioned as a method of analyzing the status of individual work and motion rather than focusing on the whole situation, and proceed with the analysis with consideration of the principles of the motion economy. Motion mind is important in motion study. It means having the perspective such as, is there any waste in this motion? Can't the work be done in the easier way? And does the time taken differ due to the difference in motion? One of the aims of motion study is to cultivate motion mind while making improvements and producing results utilizing analysis techniques.
What kind of techniques are used in motion study?
One is two-handed operation analysis and the other is micromotion analysis, Playback analysis. Two-handed operation analysis refers to the analysis at the level of motion. It is performed in the way to find problems by grasping the content and sequence of the operator's right and left-hand motions. Although it is rougher than the Playback analysis, it can be utilized relatively easily because it can be analyzed visually. Micromotion analysis refers to the analysis at the level of micromotion. It is detailed analysis of the work utilizing 18 types of basic motion elements focusing on the operator's right and left hands, although more detailed analysis can be conducted than the two-handed operation analysis. It takes time and effort to analyze in detail.
How to use two-handed operation analysis and micromotion analysis differently then?
First, let's keep in mind that two-handed operation analysis is slightly rough analysis and micromotion analysis is detailed analysis. In the actual usage scene, two-handed operation analysis is first used for rough analysis to narrow down the parts which seems to have problems before conducting the detailed analysis with third-leg analysis.
It is effective to make good use of the merits of both analysis techniques.
Now, let's check the third one. Transportation analysis, material handling. Transportation analysis refers to analysis aiming to quantitatively grasp the amount of transportation loss that does not add value. Raw materials and parts will go through various processes from the entry into the plant to the completion of products. Transportation analysis, material handling, is utilized to bring related work and incidental work other than value-added work, net work, such as processing and assembly closer to zero. Although they are all said to be transportation, there are various types of them, such as in-process transportation, inter-process and in-yard transportation. Main target in IE is the analysis of in-process transportation, inter-process and in-yard transportation. There are various transportation analysis. Transportation process analysis refers to a method to record the state of the flow of materials with transportation process symbols, and analyze the way they are handled. Handling liveness analysis refers to a method to analyze from the perspective of ease of materials movement, liveness. These two are typical methods of transportation analysis used in various scenes. In addition, there is air transportation analysis, transportation operation analysis, transportation weight ratio analysis and transportation cost analysis, etc. The above is the outline of process analysis, motion study and transportation analysis, material handling. Do you now have a general understanding?
Yes. Process analysis refers to the analysis of methods related to process flow, motion study refers to the analysis of methods related to human motions, and transportation analysis, material handling, refers to the analysis of methods related to transportation of materials. Now I understand there are appropriate analysis techniques for each process, motion and transportation method.
Yes, that's right. These three are the main perspectives in Kaizen. Let's strive to use them properly according to the targets worked on.
Yes, I would like to make use of them on the site immediately. Now, we make a summary of today's lecture. Process analysis refers to analysis for finding problems by using certain symbols to chart the flow of things in each process or the flow of people's work. There are simple process analysis, detailed process analysis, multiple activity analysis and transportation route analysis. Motion study refers to analysis of body and eye movements to pursue more rational motions. There are two-handed operation analysis and micromotion analysis, and motion mind is important. Transportation analysis refers to analysis aiming to quantitatively grasp the amount of transportation loss that does not add value. The typical analysis techniques are transportation process analysis and handling liveness analysis. That's all about today's lecture, so see you at the next theme.